Welcome to my YouTube channel Overtech. Today we are going to learn about basic Linux command. So, so perform any task inside of the Linux operating system, we need to create a virtual environment. Otherwise, you can call it the Linux lab. So for that, you need some different platform where you can use Linux virtually. For that, you can install Oracle VM, otherwise VMware workstation. So the interface is look like this. So you can use virtually about the Linux operating system. So right now I'm just using some different platform. So if you are not going to do any like virtualization inside of virtual works, so you need to just create one of the free tier account of AWS. Then you can use AWS for the free for 1 year. So right now you can see the environment where you can use like uh, this is the user interface of AWS. So right now we are just going to use a service of AWS that is Elastic Computing. Uh, in short form, you can call it EC2. This is providing all of the compute service over here. So right now you just click on launch instance. So we are going to create Amazon Linux server inside of the EC2. So for that you just type the server name. So we are just going to type this test server. This is the like it's like Amazon machine image. So you can find out here different kind of operating system. So we are just going to free tier eligible only. That is not chargeable. So I'm just select this one. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay. So right now instances type it should be T2 micro. You can check here free tier eligible. Then we are going to use a key pair so that we can connect with like our EC2 instances Linux in like through the SSH client. For that we just go here and type anything you can like rename the key pair. So I'm just typing the test Linux and click here create key pair. So right now we are just like launch the instance. This is the way you can launch the EC2 instances, but before that I have already one EC2 instances the name of Linux training. So I'm just going to terminate this machine and I'll start my Linux training server here. So I have showed you the process how to create EC2 instances inside of AWS. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, let's connect with the Linux training server. So I'm just click on connect. Here you can connect copy the SSH client command. Then we'll go to the CMD and type your CD downloads because my key pair is inside of the download folder. Then paste this command and just click on yes. Okay, you can see that is we are just connecting with Amazon Linux, which is situated inside of the EC2 instances. Right now, it's just connecting through the CMD. So right now, I'm just update type a command here, DNF update. I just want to update my Linux system. Okay, the error is this command has to be run sudo super user privileges. Okay, let's just give the access of sudo super user privileges. So we just type sudo DNF update. Now it is getting updated. Same way, I'm just going to upgrade my operating system. Okay, now the update and upgrade is are done. I'm just clear the command line. Here I'm going to do one thing, setting a host name of my system. So for that, I'm just typing a command sudo hostname ctl set hostname. Okay, let's see what is happening. Just reboot the system. Okay, access denied. So sudo reboot. It means that my operating system is getting restarted. So here we can check the update. So let's connect once again. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, you can check here. Before that, the host name was something like that IP address, but I just use this command sudo hostname ctl set hostname and Navranjan. Right now, my host name is changes from IP address to my name. So this is the command. So right now we are just going to set a password for root user. For that we can use the command sudo psswd root. So you can set password according to you. Just retype the password. Okay, 1 second. Okay, now it's updated successfully. So we can just change the user account. It will be asked for password. Now you can see we are just logging into the root account. So here we are going to use a command cd. Why we are using the cd command? In cd means change of the directory. Cd means change change directory. In the Linux operating system, like in Windows, we can call the folder to folder, but in the Linux operating system, we can call folder to the directory, and everything is file system inside of the Linux operating system. So right now I'm showing you something, that is, if I am going to get inside of the home directory. Okay, so right now, so we are just typing command cd home. So I'm just checking in the ls command, that is list of directory. In the home directory, I just want to see what kind of things are holding in home directory, so it can show this is the ECT user. So right now I just want to check, there is a command pwd. It's called present working directory. It means that we are in home directory. So currently we are working with the home directory. How do you get to know that we are in home directory? So you can simply type the pwd command. So let's see, there will be command ls -al. So you can check it out. These are some hidden folder here. Uh, the dot, and you can say found dot dot. Okay. So I am going to, for example, I'm just create a directory here, mkdir Nabaranjan. Okay. You can find out in the home directory, we can create a folder Nabaranjan. For that, for creating a directory, so you can type mkdir. So if I just want to get into this folder Navaranjan, and I just want to check what kind of things are inside of this Navaranjan folder. So what is the command? So you can type cd hyphen like cd Navaranjan, and just click on like type ls. So you can find out here nothing. So right now we just want to create something inside of the Navaranjan folder. So I'm just using a command touch file 1, file 2. Okay. So just getting back from the getting back to the scratch, and then we'll understand stepwise. So right now I'm just going to, this is the root directory. So I'm just going to get into home directory, and I just want to check inside of the home directory what kind of things are like holding in home directory. So I'm just typing ls. So you can see That is, previously we are just creating a folder called Navaranjan. So I just want to what kind of things are inside of the Navaranjan directory. So I can type cd Navaranjan. Then again I just want to type ls. So check out that is what are the things we are creating inside of the Navaranjan folder. So for that you can for checking things, so you can just type ls command. So just click enter. So you can check here that is in this command we can this year we just create two files, torch file 1, file 2. You can just find here file 1, file 2 command. So right now we just want to delete the folder and files. So for that we just go to like our home directory, and there will be a command rmdir remove directory. Let me check. Okay, so rmdir. So fail to remove. If you are typing rmdir Navaranjan, then it is showing that directory not empty. So I'm just typing another command rm-rf. See the folder we created earlier Navaranjan, that is deleted. It means that if you are like creating a directory inside of the inside of the home like directory, then you are creating called a directory called Navaranjan. Then inside of the Navaranjan, you can just create two files, touch file 1, file 2. Uh, then if you are trying to delete this Navaranjan folder using this command rmdir Navaranjan, then it is not getting deleted, because whenever a file consists any kind of a directory consists any kind of file inside of any specific directory, then it will be not able to delete with this command. For that uses you to rm-rf. Okay, so here we just clear the screen and type a command history. So these are the command we are use today. So you can practice this command and learn how to create AWS free tier account, then how to launch EC2 instances, then try to practice this basic command. For the going forward, we can learn more commands. Thank you.